Our next problem is a pretty interesting problem. We need to find a P point on the ellipse given such that the area of triangle PON is maximum, where O is the origin, that is the center of the ellipse, N is the foot of perpendicular from O to any tangent made at point P. Again we will start by making the figure. If this is the ellipse, this is any general point P, and this is O, this is the perpendicular dropped, so this will be N. Any general point on the ellipse can be taken as A cos theta comma B sin theta. Hence P point is A cos theta comma B sin theta. We need to maximize the area for triangle PON. In this question there is a special trick involved. Since this is the equation of line, that is the equation of tangent, hence we can find out the length of perpendicular drop from our origin on the tangent. But for the area of triangle PON, if this is P1, this is P2, then area will be equal to half P1 into P2. We know P1 but we don't know P2. Hence we do a small construction over here. The construction is, we make the normal for the ellipse at the point P. This will definitely be parallel since this is perpendicular to the tangent, and normal we know that is perpendicular to the tangent. So this normal will be parallel to ON, and we drop a perpendicular from O on this normal. Now we know that since this is a rectangle and opposite sides of rectangle are equal, so we can say if this is point R, so our area will be equal to half ON into NP, and NP is equal to OR. So this will be equal to ON into OR. Now for a ellipse, x square by a square plus y square b square is equal to 1. The tangent can be written as x1 by a square plus y1 by b square is equal to 1, where x1 comma y1 is the point at which the tangent is made. This is x1 comma y1, so this is x cos theta by a. On putting x1 as a cos theta, y1 as b sin theta, we get x cos theta by a plus y sin theta by b is equal to 1. The length of ON will be equal to perpendicular drop from this point O, that will be equal to 1 divided by cos square theta by a square plus sin square theta by b square. Now the equation of normal can be written as, normal is ax by cos theta minus by by sin theta is equal to a square minus b square. This can very easily be proved since we know the point at which the normal is being made. We know the slope of the normal since it is the negative reciprocal of the slope of the tangent, so this equation can be very easily found out. Now OR will be equal to the length of perpendicular drop from O upon this normal, which is equal to a square minus b square upon a square by cos square theta plus b square by sin square theta. Now just what we need is, we want to find the product of ON and OR. Area will be equal to half ON, which is equal to into OR, that is equal to a square minus b square upon, this is, mind you, under root a square by cos square theta plus b square by sin square theta. On multiplying these two, we get a square minus b square by 2 into this 1, this into this 1 plus cot square theta into b square by a square plus tan square theta into a square by b square. This everything is within under root. This becomes a square minus b square by 2 divided by 2 plus b by a tan theta whole square plus a tan theta by b whole square. This is equal to a square minus b square by 2 divided by under root of a tan theta by b plus b by a tan theta whole square, and this is under root, so this square will be removed and we are left with a square minus b square by 2 divided by a tan theta plus b by a tan theta. So in order to make the area to be maximum, we need to minimize this denominator. Considering this as x1, this is as y1, from the inequality am greater than or equal to gm, we have x1 plus y1 by 2 is greater than under root of x1 into y1, and we know that x1 into y1 is 1. So x1 plus y1 is greater than or equal to 2, and hence the minimum value of x1 plus y1 is 2, and the minimum value occurs when x1 is equal to y1, that is a tan theta by b is equal to b upon a tan theta. This gives our tan theta to be equal to plus minus b upon a, which gives us sin theta to be equal to plus minus b upon under root a square plus b square, and cos theta to be equal to plus minus a upon a square plus b square, under root of a square plus b square. And hence we wanted to find out the point P for which the area of triangle PON is maximum, and our point P was a cos theta comma b sin theta, and hence our point P is plus minus a into cos theta, that is a square upon under root a square plus b square, comma plus minus b square upon under root of a square plus b square. Hence our point P for which the area of triangle PON is maximum is plus minus under root plus minus a square upon under root a square plus b square, comma plus minus b square upon under root of a square plus b square, and this is our final answer.